guys having an absolutely fantastic day. Again, as my previous video, please excuse the lack of makeup. We are still getting ready for Hurricane Florence. It is Wednesday, so today is kind of the last day that we have. And we have gotten everything that we needed to get done accomplished. And at this point, it's just kind of, we're gonna ride it out and see what happens. But I did want to hop on, the mail did run today, and I got my Glossybox for September. So I did want to go ahead and hop on and share this with you guys. For those of you that do not know, Glossybox is a $21 a month subscription, and they usually send about 4 to 6 full-size, or some deluxe, some full-size beauty products. So we are going to go ahead and dive in and see what September has in store. So we are going to take the lid off. I don't know if I'm just that exhausted, you guys, or what, but this is so cute. It comes all tied up. It says usual suspects. I guess that's the theme for the month. So we are going to take this little ribbon off, and we have this. This will tell us about the products inside, and this is in typical beauty box fashion, nice paper with a sticker. So let's open that and let you guys see everything that is inside. So let's dive in and see exactly what these products are. So we are going to unfold our paper, our cheat sheet. And the first product is by Style London. It is a 9-color eyeshadow palette in Eaton Square. Say goodbye to the stress of finding just the right shade of eyeshadow with the Style London Eaton Square eyeshadow palette. The perfect combination of 9 colors gives you a look for every occasion, and the paraben-free ingredients keep your body as beautiful on the inside as you look on the outside. So, and it is full size, retails for $15. There's actually a little piece of tape here. That I cannot seem to get off. Where is my box cutter? We'll use that. Okay, now the tape is stuck to my finger. So we open it. These are really beautiful shades, you guys. Like super, super pretty. They're darker than they're showing up on camera. And 1, 2, 3. There's only 2 matte shades. The rest are shimmer. These 2 right here are matte, but these are so beautiful for fall. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the next item is by Mood Matcher Twist Stick Lip Color. 12-hour, okay. This is $10. Mood Matcher takes you back to the days of mood rings, but without the 70s big hair. A sleek, slim lipstick that changes to match your body chemistry, giving you a personalized shade that's unique to you. The tapered tip helps create clean lines on your lips without sacrificing a long-lasting wear. That is interesting. And I don't have makeup on, but you know what? This, because it has me so intrigued, we are going to give it a try. I'm sorry if I didn't show you, this is the box. So, alright. So here it is. It's green. Let's see. Okay, so it's coming up kind of a pinky red. Let's try it on my hand, see if it shows up better there. It feels nice. Can literally see it changing on my hand. I'm watching where I applied it, and you could kind of see the, you know, the shimmer, the gloss effect of the product, and I'm literally watching it change. I don't know that it's picking it up on camera, but, and it doesn't look the same on my hand as it does on my lips. But either way, that's pretty neat. So I like that. That's interesting. All right. The next product is by Beauty For Real. Eyeline 24/7 eyeliner in Platinum Blonde. It is $14. This sleek precision finish of a gel with the no-fail ease of a must-have pencil. Not only will this liner make your eyes literally sparkle, but its instantly drying formula means it stays put from dusk till dawn too. So, here is the liner. Ooh, that is a well. It's a very champagne-y pop. I don't know that I would use this as eyeliner. Maybe more of, you know, a stick, or maybe a highlight for up near my eyebrow. I'm more of a black eyeliner kind of girl. Obviously you can't tell that today, but like I said, we're preparing for a major hurricane, so forgive me. The next product is by Context Microderm Regenerator. The full size is $35. It says Microderm Regenerator brings the same crystals used in a professional microdermabrasion treatment to your own home. Both a cleanser and a gentle exfoliator, the powerful antioxidants fight damage and protect cells while polishing and removing dead skin, leaving you soft and hydrated. So that's interesting. There is a safety seal, so I'm actually not going to open this right now to feel like the crystals or any exfoliator. But that's nice to have. And I mean, it's a good size. It's 1 fluid ounce. So we're going to move right along. And next we have by Lapkos Daily Skin Sheet Mask in Charcoal. Full size $3.50 for 1 sheet. Charcoal Daily Skin Mask uses salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and charcoal extract to remove toxins and keep your skin in a state of deep hydration. Unlike other masks that just exfoliate your skin, Lapkos also tightens your pores, making those nasty holes in your face a thing of the past. Those nasty things, those nasty holes in your face. So, this is a Korean mask. I can tell because I can't read half of it. And it is a sheet mask. I don't know if I said that. I did. Okay, sorry. So there is that. So yay for a mask. And the 6th and final item is by Freeman. Psst. That's what it says. Psst. Original dry shampoo in citrus. Full size would be $6.99. And it says, being a powerful woman means not always getting time to shower. Psst. Citrus Instant Dry Shampoo helps you seize the day by transforming dull hair into a fresh look without having to lather up. Powder eliminates odor, absorbs oil, and boosts volume. So just spray and you are ready to go. So we've been getting a lot of dry shampoo and beauty boxes. Oh, my lips have turned like even redder. Woo. Okay. So, yeah. Weightless volume, clean and fresh, no buildup. Psst. Told you guys. That's what it said. So I'm gonna shake this and give it a smell. It's a very light citrus, very light citrus, but it smells good. So that is always great to have, and with a hurricane, you definitely need dry shampoo. So, and as you guys can see here, this has finally changed more on my skin, but I definitely did notice that the lip product, I guess I'm in some kind of a mood. So that is the September Glossybox. And I'm really happy with the products. I think it's, you know, a great variety. I love that palette. The eyeshadow palette, it is perfect for fall. You know, the charcoal mask is great. And the Microderm cleanser is great. The eyeliner, like I said, I probably will not use as an eyeliner, but maybe more of like a brow highlight, just because, like I said, I am definitely more of a black eyeliner girl, and will definitely use the dry shampoo. It's really fun to say. And then this, like I said, this is neat. My husband will probably get a kick out of when I pull this out to go put lipstick on. He'll be like, "What are you doing? What, are you gonna wear green lipstick?" No, honey, watch. So we'll see about that. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I did want to hop on really quick and make this. I do have one more thing I'm going to make after this, so I will be posting 2 videos today. And I hope that anyone else in the path of Florence is safe and you have all of the supplies that you need and have made any preparations needed to weather this massive storm that is coming our way. And otherwise, I hope everyone has a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon. I do not know exactly when after today, and of course, I have tracking information for my Ipsy, for my Yes Oh Yes, for my BoxyCharm, for my Adore box, all of this stuff, and of course, they're all supposed to either be here tomorrow or Friday. That is not going to happen. So it may be, you know, a few days, or quite a few days before I do another video, but that is why I wanted to hop on and do this one with you guys. Again, please excuse the exhausted, no makeup look. I do have a little bit of pop of color now thanks to the Mood Matcher lipstick. And like I said, everyone please stay safe, and I will be posting as soon as I can after these videos. And just, I hope everyone has a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Again, as I stated in my other video, if I do not comment right back, again, we're about to have a Category 3 to 4 hurricane, so please do forgive any delay in replying to your comments. But I do truly appreciate you guys, and if you have not already, please subscribe. We do have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It does end on the 30th, so you want to, you know, enter that. Anyway, I'm rambling again, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be talking with you soon. And everyone, like I said, in the path of Florence, please stay safe. Otherwise, I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.